In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your variable valve timing solenoid on your Honda CR-V 2.4 liter. It's located on the back of the engine. Using a 19mm socket, we're going to remove our lug nuts and remove our wheel. Make sure you have a hand on the wheel for that last one. Sometimes the wheel wants to jump off. So I'm going to reach up there through the wheel well and disconnect the oil pressure switch, the indicator. That's just going to get it out of the way. And now we can get to these 4 bolts down here. I'm going to use a 10mm socket and take off this cover. And we got to reach up here to get this one. I'll take out these bolts first. And now your solenoid is free. So now that we've taken those 3 bolts out, we're going to bring this up so we can reach our connectors a little better. All right, and we're going to disconnect this one and that one. Take that out. Using a rag, clean the surface for the new solenoid. So now we're going to install our new solenoid. So you just got to line it up. I have 1 bolt ready to go. Start that bolt by hand. And then we can start another one. Now, you can do this from underneath as well if you don't want to go by feel about where the bolts go, but I'm going to do it from up top because I'm pretty comfortable doing it that way. I would hand tighten these as much as you can before even trying to put a socket on there. That way you don't have so much to do in a tight space. All right, you're going to plug in your harnesses now, and we're going to connect the other one. All right, so now we're going to torque our bolts to 85 inch-pounds. All right, torque the other bolts as well. And 1 more bolt. Okay. Now that you have torqued those 3 bolts, we're going to connect our oil pressure switch below it that has the blue rubber boot. Just make sure your rubber boot is back on, and if it's slick with oil, you're going to want to clean that off. Reinstall your wheel, and then put your lug nuts on finger tight. And then we're going to snug it up. Go in a star-like pattern, like this. We're going to torque our wheels to 80 foot-pounds. You're going to do it in a star-like pattern. And I like to go around 1 more time to make sure I got them all. All right, now that that's installed, get your vehicle, start her up, and take it for a test drive.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.